Is credit holding you back from the life you want? Let me ask you a question. Have you ever applied for a job, knew you were qualified, but you never got the call? Well, it may have been your credit that prevented you from getting the position. So recently, Career Builder, they conducted this survey and they said that 29% of employers require a credit check when hiring. And they anticipate that number to just keep rising. I'm Aazim, creator and founder of Leaf Credit Solutions and author of the Ultimate Credit Repair Guide. So a low credit score can stop you from qualifying for a personal loan, getting a credit card, or financing your dream home or car. I'm sure you're aware of that. But these days, lenders and insurance companies use your credit score to predict your repayment capacity. Now, if you have a low credit score or bad payment history, you're considered a risk. So some lenders might even consider giving you a loan or a credit card, but at a much higher rate. The lower your credit score, the higher the interest rate. Let me give you one quick example. So you want to buy a car for $20,000. You need a loan to finance that car you want to buy. Someone with excellent credit can get an interest rate as low as 1.99%, while a person with bad credit can get a loan paying as much as 11%. And if their credit history is severely damaged, tore up credit, they can end up paying as much as 22%. I have a couple of clients that when they came to me, they were paying as much as 24%. So you see the difference? You have to ask yourself and be honest, where has your credit history taken you? I'm sure you're not looking to pay 22% when you get your next car. If you have less than perfect credit, you could have issues renting a car, getting insurance, and even booking a hotel, which generally requires a credit card. So bad credit, it doesn't just affect you, it affects your spouse, your children, your business, and it can be the cause of mental stress and anxiety. I know because I've been there. And if you're tired of your credit holding you back and you want help improving it so you can take back control of your life, head to the link to schedule a no obligation call with me, and I'll give you some free information on how to improve your credit.